Hi, so we continue our discussion of MOS transistor. So remember the performance and the power of any VLSI chip. You see in the right here is a chip. It could be a chip of a microprocessor or a memory, and there are millions of transistors. So the performance and the power of this chip depends on two things. One is that is the current flowing through these transistors, and second, the capacitance of those transistors. And one more item is the wires which are connecting the transistor to each other, forming a circuits. So where is the capacitance of the transistor? So you see there is a schematic of the MOS transistor here. You have a drain terminal, you have a source terminal, you have a gate terminal. So obviously gate is a metal or polysilicon, source is a metal here, and from gate beneath is a oxide. So from gate to oxide there is a capacitance. From oxide to the semiconductor right here there is a capacitance. And then of course we will explain this in more detail when we explain the operation of the MOS transistor. Here the point is to show there are many capacitances involved in the structures of the MOS. So the power consumption when the MOS transistor will switch on or switch off to act as a digital circuit, these capacitances will be charged up or discharged down. So during that, the power consumption will be calculated. And obviously, when the transistor is switched on, there is a current flowing through the device. And when it is switched off, there is no current flowing through the device. So based on that, power consumption will be determined. So third is when you connect such millions of such transistors to each other through wires, so there is a power consumption because of that also. So here we will focus on the characteristics of the MOS transistors, and for the wire power consumption and the performance due to the wire we will explore. That is not the topic of this focus of this topic.